Communicative role of preorbital gland openings in captive Bunbakri antelope, Bosluphus tragocamelus, Pallas 1766, in India. The preorbital gland is a paired exocrine gland, appearing as a slit-shaped cavity located anterior to the eye. It is found in many ungulates, particularly in the families Bovidae, Cervidae, and various antelope species. Scent marking using the preorbital gland in the Bunbakri antelope, also known as the white-footed antelope Bosluphus tragocamelus, was studied at the Haryana Agriculture Farm, VKS College of Agriculture, Dumraon. This study investigated the behavior of Bunbakri antelopes concerning preorbital gland opening under various conditions, including stress, starvation, and maturity. The research aimed to assess this behavior as part of a broader investigation into the phenotypic and behavioral characteristics of Bunbakri nilgai to enhance their well-being and improve resource management. The research is important because it will expand the understanding of this elegant species' behavior and the functional role of its preorbital gland. Its potential applications in antimicrobial drug development will be explored as well. The behavior of male and female Bunbakri was observed in captivity. During winter, the Bunbakri was kept indoors in a 10 into 20 feet room. Occasionally, it was released into a large outdoor enclosure during summer, winter, and rainy seasons. The enclosure was surrounded by wire fencing approximately 200 by 150 feet LXW and 6 feet in height. The enclosure had a savanna. In mature Bunbakri antelopes, the preorbital glands measured approximately 2.1 cm in length and 1.0 cm in width. These exocrine glands, appearing as trench-like slits of dark blue to black coloration, were located beneath the eyes. Under free-roaming conditions, both male and female B. tragocamelus rarely exhibited preorbital gland opening. However, the gland was observed to open under stress, particularly when the animal was restrained with a halter for the first time, either at night or occasionally during the day. Preorbital gland opening was also noted during maturity, hunger, and stressful conditions. The findings suggest that this behavior may serve as a key indicator for differentiating between playful, courtship, and aggressive social behaviors, particularly in stressful situations or stages of maturity. Additionally, the gland may secrete pheromonal substances that facilitate olfactory communication. It can also be said that preorbital gland opening may be an important behavioral indicator of the real maturity of the individual in the sexual context and also in stressful conditions. To the best of our knowledge, no prior studies have reported the opening of the preorbital gland in Bunbakri antelopes B. tragocamelus. This study presents the first recorded observation of this behavior in captive white-footed antelopes, contributing novel insights into their behavioral ecology. Thus, it can be concluded that this gland opens in Bunbakri antelopes under stress, starvation, or sexual maturity contexts, and may serve as an essential behavioral indicator. This could help distinguish between playful, courtship, aggressive, social status, and other behaviors to communicate with other members of Bunbakri Bosluphus tragocamelus. Introduction. This study explores how mammals, particularly ungulates like the Bunbakri nilgai, use chemical communication through scent glands for social and reproductive behaviors. While the role of pheromones in mammals, such as attracting mates, marking territory, and recognizing individuals, is well documented, the specific use of the preorbital gland in Bunbakri has remained unknown. Found near the eyes, this gland helps many ungulates send visual and scent signals. The Bunbakri is a large antelope species native to India, often seen in agricultural landscapes. Despite being labeled a pest in some regions, it offers ecological benefits, such as soil enrichment through nitrogen-rich dung. This research is the first to record the opening of the preorbital gland in Bunbakri under different behavioral conditions, offering new insight into its communication strategies. These findings enhance our understanding of the species' role in ecosystems and open possibilities for its conservation and potential agricultural uses. Conclusion. In conclusion, this is the first report of preorbital gland opening in Bunbuckry B. tragocamelus. We observed that this gland opens in Bunbuckry antelopes under stress, starvation, or sexual maturity contexts, and may serve as an essential behavioral indicator. Prasad et al., 2025. This could help distinguish between playful, courtship, aggressive, social status, and other behaviors to communicate with other members of Bunbuckry Boslophus tragocamelus. These findings may pave the way for further research on communication in this species and its potential applications in antimicrobial drug development. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.